Hey guys, today's video, I hope it's going to be helpful for you. It's for those ladies who have reached out to me and asked, what do you do if you work out often? How do you preserve your hair in between washes without having that sweat build up and your hair smells weird? I'm here for you, okay? I'm going to be using this product that I just recently added to my regimen, and it's called Defunk from Uncle Funky's Daughter. So let's go ahead. I'm going to put this on. I'm not going to rinse it out or anything, and I'm just going to style. I'm going to try to find something really simple for all of you who are wanting something that you can do quickly in the mornings so that you can get on out the door and head to school, head to work, get the kids to daycare, or what have you. I'm going to spray this liberally on my scalp as well as my hair just to freshen it up. It's going to make it smell a lot fresher, and it's going to help me to prolong in between washes. I'm just kind of attacking the areas where I know I sweat the most, and especially like around the edges to freshen that up. Kind of still see my part that I had from a previous style. I'm going to utilize that. I'm going to take a little bit of the extra butter. This is going to help to moisturize my hair. Really nice and creamy. I'm going to seal in the moisture that I just added with the Shining Star. My wide tooth comb, starting at my ends. I'm going to just gently detangle. Now that I've done that, I'm just going to comb my hair forward. I'm going to take a little bit of the Curly Magic. I want that to look kind of smooth. And so now I'm going to do a chunky braid. So now that the braid is installed, I'm going to try to fluff it out just a little bit. For the rest of it, I'm going to just spritz with some water and add some product. And I'm going to add the Curly Magic. Use my diamond brush. And you can see it's kind of already curling up. So I'm going to do that for the rest of my hair. You can see the difference in the sides. I have the Curly Magic on this side, and I'll brush it through with my diamond brush. And then I don't have anything over here except for the Defunk the spray that I sprayed on earlier. Now with all the product applied and I've used my diamond brush, I am now going to just kind of do, I think like a little ponytail with a puff on the side. And me combing the product through thoroughly with my diamond brush allows me to have some definition in my puff. That's the reason we went through that process. So that's it, you guys. Really simple, not a whole lot that you have to do to your hair. And if you don't know how to braid, you can easily do a flat twist as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.